Okay, today we're going to do count odd numbers in an interval range, which is LeetCode problem 1523. This problem states, given two non-negative integers, low and high, return the count of odd numbers between low and high, inclusive. Example 1. Low is 3, high is 7. The output is 3. So the odd numbers between 3 and 7, which include 3 and 7, are 3, 5, 7. Example 2. Low is 8, high is 10. Output is 1. Odd numbers between 8 and 10 are 9, which is 1. All right, so how are we going to tackle this? We could loop through and determine if a number is odd, and then add it to the list and return the count of that list. But we're going to do it, we're going to take a little shortcut here. So basically, every other number is going to be an odd number. So if you subtract 3 from 7, so 7 minus 3 is 4, and then divide that by 2, because every other number is odd, you get 2. And then we're going to add 1 to that, which gives us the 3. That's if the numbers are odd. If the numbers are even, we're going to subtract 8 from 10, which is 2, divide by 2, which is 1. So only if the numbers are even can you divide by 2, and that's all you need to do. But if you have an odd low and an odd high, or either one of these are odd and the other one is even, then we need to divide by 2 and add 1. So it becomes very simple, actually. So if low mod 2 equals 0. So basically, if a remainder, modulus is remainder, what's left over after you do the calculation. So if that is 0 and the high is the same thing. So high modulus 2 equals 0. Then we're just going to return high minus low and divide by 2. Whoops. I like to space things out. Divide by 2. All right. In every other case, we're going to return high minus low divided by 2, and then add 1. Order of operations, we'll divide by 2 first, and then add the 1. All right, let's run this. So in this case, the high was 7, the low was 3, the output is 3, and that was accepted. Case 2, low was 8, high was 10, output is 1, that is accepted. So we'll submit this. Bam! Beats 100% of users. We are the top user. Memory only beats 6.51. Could be better. All right. So the time complexity of this is O of 1. We're basically just doing an if statement. So it looks like this graph here. Same thing with space complexity, O of 1. Nothing too drastic here. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.